Did you know nurses abroad can earn up to 80 lakhs a year, Indian rupees, with 5 to 6 years of experience? And guess what? There's a global shortage for nurses with over 13 million more nurses needed by 2030. Some countries even offer permanent residency in less than 2 years. And these aren't just numbers, they are real opportunities for nurses to take their careers global. So if you're a nurse or a student or someone planning to settle abroad through nursing, this video is for you. Hello and welcome back to MedCare by Academically, your one-stop solution for global healthcare careers. Now let's get started unlocking, basically doing the countdown for the best options for nurses. In 2025, based on salary, demand, PR options and career growth, here is a breakdown of the top 5 countries. Don't forget to stay till the end because the number 1 country offers a special pathway just for international graduate nurses like you. Now let's get started with number 5, the United Kingdom. In the UK, registered nurses with the NHS start at £28,000 to £35,000. That's between 30 to 40 lakh Indian rupees. And with experience, the pay can rise to 50 lakh Indian rupees a year. And if you specialize in ICU, mental health or midwifery, the salaries can go even higher, especially in the private care. And the best part, the UK has a fast-track skilled visa for nurses and the NHS covers your relocation costs in many cases. Now, number 4 is Germany. Germany is actively hiring nurses, especially in elder care and hospitals, and the average salary ranges between 35,000 to 55,000 euros a year, which is between 35 to 55 lakh Indian rupees a year. And ICU and surgical nurses can earn over 65 lakh rupees a year as well. Germany also offers paid language training, and the demand is so high that some states have bilateral agreements with India and the Philippines. Now at number 3 is Canada. Registered nurses in Canada earn between 65,000 to 95,000 Canadian dollars a year. That's between 40 to 60 lakh Indian rupees. And in cities like Ontario, Alberta and the BC, the pay increases to over 80 lakhs a year. And don't forget, Canada is also one of the best countries for permanent residency as well. The Canadian government has introduced streamlined pathways for internationally educated nurses under the Express Entry and the PNP program. Number 2 is the United States of America. The USA is a top choice for nurses seeking high salaries and advanced clinical roles. Registered nurses can earn between $85,000 to $110,000, which converts to 73 to 94 lakh Indian rupees a year, and nurse practitioners earn above a crore in a year. The best part is that with growing shortage, many hospitals are sponsoring green cards for qualified international nurses with career growth, specialization, and world-class healthcare experience. And finally, in the end, it's time for that one country you were waiting for. Number 1 is Australia. Australia remains the most preferred destination for Indian and international nurses. Here is why. The salaries there range between 75,000 to 120,000 Australian dollars a year. That is between 42 to 67 lakh Indian rupees per year, with aged care and regional nurses earning even more. It's one of the easiest PR pathways for nurses through subclass 190, 491 and 189 visas. And visa processing time, sometimes it's as fast as 6 to 9 months. So which country is calling your name? Whether it's the UK's NHS, Germany's secure jobs, Canada's PR, the US's high pay, or Australia's golden visa. The right choice is going to start with the right preparation, and once you've made one, we at Academically have helped thousands of students of nurses every year to take that next step, from clearing each country's licensing exam to building their personalized migration plan. You get coaching, mock tests, visa help, and one-on-one counseling, everything in one platform. Book a free consultation with us now using the link below and find the best nursing path for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MedCare. We've got more videos coming up.